أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله ربي شرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, Course 5, page 20.30. Today we will study Surah Al-Baqarah verses 140 and 141. We saw each juz has been divided in 4 parts and each part has 5 pages. The first 5 pages, 1 to 5 of juz 1, we studied in QC2 from 1 to 37 ayah of Surah Al-Baqarah plus the Surah Al-Fatih. The next page is 6 to 10. We studied in QC3 with starting 38 up to 76, mean the 39 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah. The next 5 pages, 11 to 15, we studied in QC4 and we covered there 77 to 105, mean the 29 ayahs. And the last 5 pages, that is page 16 to 20. Now we are started in QC5 from 106 up to 141 ayahs, and the first juz have 141 ayahs, and Alhamdulillah, today we will complete them. Let's to keep the last 5 pages, page 16 to 20 on the left hand. So the pointers for the page 16. Yes, what are the pointers for the page 16?
Abrogation.
Question,
Wish of
wish
the
of the
people
people
of
of
paradise for
paradise
Jews
for
and
Jews
Christians
and
only.
Christians only.
Okay, abrogations, don't question, wish of the peoples of the book, paradise for Jews and Christians only. What about the pointers for the page 17?
Jews and
Jews
Christians
and
fight
Christians
among
fight
themselves.
among themselves. The
The
unjust
unjust block
block
mosque.
mosque.
Christian
Christians
made a
made
son
a
for
son
Allah.
for Allah.
Ignorance,
Ignorant
see Allah
say
talk to them.
Allah talk to them.
Jews and Christians fight among themselves. The unjust is block mosque. Christians made a son for Allah. Ignorant say Allah talk to them. What about the page 18's pointers?
Jews
and
Christians
Christians will
never
never
be
be
pleased.
pleased.
Bani
Israel
Israel
remember the favor,
test of
test
Ibrahim
of Ibrahim alayhi salam, the house of
house of
Allah
Allah and the
and the
city.
city.
Jews and Christians will never be pleased. Bani Israel remembered the favor, test of Ibrahim alayhi salam, house of Allah and the city. What's about the 19th page pointers?
Construction of
Construction of Kaaba and Duas,
who
who
will
will turn away from the religion of Ibrahim.
Instructions
Instruction
of
of
Ibrahim
Ibrahim and Yaqub,
that
that
nation
nation passed away.
Constructions of Kaaba and Dua, who will turn away from the religion of Ibrahim, instructions of Ibrahim and Yaqub, that nation passed away. What about the pointers brief for the page 16?
Abrogation, question, wish, paradise.
Abrogation, question, wish, paradise. What about the brief pointer for the page 17?
Jews and
Christians, the unjust, Christian, ignorant.
Jews and Christians, the unjust is Christians, ignorant. What about the brief pointer about page 18?
Jews and Christians,
Bani Israel, Ibrahim alayhi salam, house of Allah.
Jews and Christian, Bani Israel, Ibrahim alayhi salam, house of Allah. What about the brief pointer for the page 90?
Construction, religion of Ibrahim, instructions
passed away.
Constructions, religion of Ibrahim, instructions passed away. Let's to proceed the page 20. The first pointer is follow Ibrahim al-Islam. Second is the ideal belief. The third pointer is this you dispute about Allah. And the last fourth pointer is most unjust hides the testimony. Let's to keep them on the fingers. Yes, what are the pointers for the page 20?
Follow Ibrahim al-Islam. The ideal belief. You dispute about Allah, most unjust
high
high
testimony.
testimony.
Follow Ibrahim alayhi salam, the ideal belief. You dispute about Ibrahim, most unjust high testimony. What about the brief pointer about the page 20?
Follow
Follow
Ibrahim
Ibrahim alayhi salam,
the
the ideal
ideal
belief,
belief, dispute,
dispute,
unjust.
unjust.
Follow Ibrahim alayhi salam, the ideal belief, dispute, and justice. So let's proceed. Today we will study the last pointer of the page 20, that is most unjust high testimony. In previous verses, Allah addressed the people of the book to come back to the truth. The address continues here. So these are the ayahs of today. Yes, who want to recite it? Okay, you are 3 people. Yes, Sister Bushra Khan, please start from you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ومن أظلم ممن قتم شهادة عنده من الله وما الله بغافل عما تعملون.
Okay, you read only translation of this ayah.
And who is more unjust than the one who conceal a testimony that he has from Allah, and Allah is not unaware of what you do.
Jazakallah. Yes, Sister Shabana, go for the next ayah.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تلك أمة قد خلت لها ما كسبت ولكم ما كسبتم ولا تسألون عما كانوا يعملون. That was a community which has passed away. It will have what deeds it earned, and you will have what you have earned, and you will not be asked about what they used to do.
Jazakumullah khaira. Let's go for the identification of the words in this ayah. Wow is a harf. Man is a ism. Azlamu. Yes, what is this? Azlamu ism fail harf.
Ism tabdeel.
So ism tabdeel, yeah.
Fail? How it is fail? Yes, sister.
No, it's ism. I just.
It's ism tafdeel on the pattern
Yeah,
of akbaru.
tafdeel, yeah.
Okay.
Akbar,
The next is mimman. Min is a harf and man is a ism. It's joined and become mimman. Katama. What about this katama? Ism fail harf.
Fail.
Fail. 3 letters, all the 3 having fatah, so it's the sign of mazi, first form. Shahadatan. Yes, this tan is telling what it is
Ism.
ism feminine ism. Okay, round tan. In the what is this in QC1 we learned in the and ma.
Ism zarf.
Ism because zarf. Hi is a zamir. So ism plus ism, which relation, which pair
Murakkab idafi.
Murakkab idafi. Min is a harf jar followed by
Jar majroor.
Jar majroor.
Isme majroor. So it compound will be jar majroor, mean the pair of jar majroor. Wawa is a harf. What about ma?
This is ism.
Ism.
It may be some, may be harf. We will see in the translation. Allah is a isme jar. Bi ghaflin. Bi is a harf jar followed by isme majroor.
Jar majroor.
Ism majroor. So bi ghaflin, jar and majroor compound. Amma. It is an and ma. An is a harf. And is a ism. Again, ta'malun. What about ta'malun? Ism fail harf.
Mudari.
Mudare. Okay. If I remove the ta, it's a ilamat mudare. Remove the waw nun, that is a plural sign. So how many letters? 3 letters. And mim lam. So which verb we has studied from this 3 letter and mim lam?
This is
Allama.
No, it's not allama because it doesn't have a shad.
Ammal and mean.
Alima. 3 letters. In QC1 you learn alima on the pattern of samia. Alima ya'lamu alam. This is a QC1 verb. Tilka is a yes, ism fail harf.
Ism Shishara.
Ism Ishara, tilka,
Feminine. It's for the feminine.
feminine.
So ummatun is a feminine word coming because the ism ishara is of the feminine. This round ta is telling it's feminine word, and the tanween mean the fatatan, the damatan telling it's an ism. Kad is a harf taqid. Khalat. What about this khalat? Ism fail harf.
Fail.
Fail. Fail.
Fail
It's
mazi.
madi because
Ism,
ta is the
this
start.
is a fail and this is for feminine.
Yes.
Feminine.
La is a harf jar followed by ism majur. Ha is a ism majur. Laha jar majur. Ma. What is ma? Ism fail harf.
Ism Masul.
Here it
Ism
is masula ism. Kasabat. What about this kasabat? Ism fail harf.
This is
Fail Mazi.
feminine.
Fail madi feminine. So
Yeah.
tafs in ba is the kasaba, yaksubu, iksib is the three letters lasi mujarrad verb. Waw is a harf. Lakum. What is la is a harf followed by ism majur. Kum is the ism majur. Lakum
Jar
jar
majroor.
ma. What about ma? Ism fail harf.
Ism Masula.
It's again
Masood.
ism. Kasabtum. What about kasabtum?
This is fail mazi.
Mazi.
Fail
Mazi.
madi. Okay, tum is telling it's the madi verb. Kasaba again the same. Waw is a harf. La is a harf. Tus'aluna. Yes.
This is fail also, and this is fail mudare.
If it is fail mudari, why it's having the dhamma in the middle?
This is on the pattern of this is a
Fail.
majhul.
Majhul.
Tufalu
It's
pattern.
mudari majhul. Mudari majhul, you can say. Sa'ala.
Mudare majhul.
This is
Yes,
the
mudare
verb.
majhul.
And from
Yeah.
that, tus'aluna, having the dhamma showing it's a majhul. Mudari majhul.
Yeah.
Okay. But what about this la? Is it la nafiya or la nahiya?
Nafia.
Yeah.
Why?
Na-
What is the reason?
Because there noon is still there.
Yes.
Because noon is
After
still-
la, if that mudare come and it have noon, or if it's a single have dhamma, that shows the la is nafiya, only having the negation. But if the dhamma is changed or noon is removed, then it is la nahiya. Amru nahi. The
Yeah.
nahi is called la
Right.
nahiya. Amma again, an and ma we have seen about. Kanu is a madi verb, plural, from kana kanu. Ya'maluna. What is this ya'maluna? Ism fail harf.
Fail mudare.
Fail.
Fail mudare. Remove the ya, remove the waw nun, and mim lam. So which one is the fail?
Amila Yamalu.
Amila. Samia pattern.
Amila ya'malu amal from Samia Bab.
Say from
Look, kanu is the madi verb, and immediately is coming a mudare verb. Why? But two verbs are coming off a past and mazi at the same time.
Istamrari. Continuity.
Continuity that we learned.
Madi istamrari. The khana table followed by a mudare table in respect to sigas. Okay, let's have another look on the ibara. Waw is a harf, man is a ism, azlamu is a ism on the af'alu pattern, babi taf'il. Man, it's actually min is a harf and man is a ism. Katama, three-letter verb, salasi mujarrad. Shahadatan is again ism, feminine. Inda is a ism, who is a zamir ism plus ism, it's a murakkabe izafi in the relation pair. Min is a harf, Allah isme jalala, so it's again jar majur. Wa is a harf, ma is a here harf. Allah isme jalala. Bi ghaflin. Bi is a harf jar followed by isme majur. So bi ghaflin jar majur. Amma is actually an and ma compound. Ta'maluna the mudare verb from amila ya'malu i'mal. Tilka is a ismu ishara for feminine singular. Ummatun is a feminine singular ism because having round ta and having the matan. Kad is a harf. Kad to taqid. Kad is a harfu taqid. Khalat is a mu'adif verb from khala, yakhlu, ukhlu. That is the verb. The next is laha. La is a harf jar. Ha is a zamir ism. Laha jar majur. Ma is a ism here. Kasabat. Kasabit, the madi were feminine. So remove the ta. So three-letter kasaba, yaksubu, iksab. It's a three-letter salasi mujarrad verb. Waw is a harf. La is a harf jar. Kum is a ism majrur. La kum jar majrur. Ma is a ism. Kasabtum a madi verb. Kasaba, yaksubu, iksib, 3-letter word. Waw is a harf, la is a harf. Tus'aluna. Tus'aluna is a mudare, but it's majhul because the first letter ilaman mudare showing dhamma and the letter before the last letter showing fatha. Waw nun is the plural sign. The last letter is this lam. Tasalu. And before lam, hamza is showing the fatha. So this is the yuf'alu pattern, mean mudare majhul. Amma we have saw that earlier. It is an and ma, just like this. Kanu is the madi verb, and ya'maluna the mudare. When the madi and mudare come together, they give the meaning of past continuous.
Past tense, past tense.
Madi
Yeah.
is marari. So let's look the lesson learned from this ayah. It is a big crime to hide the truth. Allah is watching our words and actions. Everyone is answerable for what he or she does. Noble lineage will not help anyone to go forward if he does not do good deeds. Look the new words in each line. Sifar, 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 sifar. Alhamdulillah. So let's go word for word and the phrase for phrase translation and the explanation. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa and man who azlamu is more injustice. Mimman than who katama hide, concealed, shahadatan a testimony or witness. In the who that is with him. Min Allahi from Allah. Wama and not Allah bighaflin unaware. Amma whatever ta'malun you do. So shahada means you know that you are hiding the truth. You have the Torah and Bible. Go and check it. It was for the Jews. They were hiding the truth. So it was said, go and check the books. You know this all. وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلٍ means this is an extremely serious warning from Allah. Allah is watching your actions and intentions. You will have to pay for your wrong deeds. So let's to revise it. Yes, now Sister Shakira, it's your turn. You earlier raised hand. Please go for it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ومن أنؤ أظلم is more unjust ممن than the one who katama shahadatan concealed a testimony in doubt that he has min Allah from Allah wamallahu and Allah is not feeling unaware amma ta'malun of what you do.
Jazakumullah khairan, sister. Let's to proceed the next ayah. Bismillah. Tilka, this. Look in Quran, then the zalika and tilka come. Normally, they give the meaning of near. Though tilka mean that, zalika mean is also that. But in the Quran, normally we find they give the meaning of near. Tilka, this. Ummatun, a community. Mean this was a community. Kad has khalat passed away. Laha for it, ma what, kasabat it earned, wa and lakum and for you, ma what kasabtum you have earned, wala and not tus'aluna you will be not asked, amma about what kanu ya'malun they used to do. Let's to see the explanation. On the day of judgment, you will not be asked to describe the good deeds of Ibrahim alayhi salam or the Yaqub alayhi salam. If you are not even asked about their work, then forget about you will getting any benefit from their work. You will be rewarded for what you did right or punishment for your wrongs. On the day of judgment, you will. So Allah has repeated this ayah again to emphasize that the lineage will not help a person to get their rewards from Allah. Everyone is responsible for his or her action, and never be deceived by shaitan, who may make a person proud of his pious family or lineage in case he has one. So Alim, now yes, sister Aisha, Shuru, now it's your turn. Please unmute and recite this part.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تلك أمة. This was a community قد خلت which has passed away لها for it ما كسبت what it earned ولكم and for you ما كسبتم what you have earned ولا تسألون and you will not be asked amma about what كانوا يعملون they used to do.
Jazakumullah khaira, sister. Let's to take a hadith here. The Prophet ﷺ said, he who lags behind in doing good deeds, his noble lineage will not make him go ahead. Let's to see the lesson learned from this ayah. It is a big crime to hide the truth. Allah is watching our words in action. Everyone is answerable for what he or she has done. Noble lineage will not help anyone to go forward if he does not do good deeds. Let's to pray. Oh Allah, give us tawfiq to spread the message of the Quran in the best way to as many people as possible. And make a plan, inshallah, I will study deeply and learn the ways Allah presents Islam in the Quran to different groups. Look, the Asma, Zalim. Zalim, the plural is Azlam, unjust. Shahada, Shahadat is a plural. Ummah, plural is Ummam or Ummam. So the three-letter verbs, they are Katama, Shahada, Ghafala, Amila, Kasiba. Now, please, who would like to revise the 6 keys? Yes, let's start, Sister Bushra, from you. Katama.
Katama, yaktumu, uktum, katimun, maktumun, kitmanun. To conceal, katam, kafta, mim are the root words, and bab is nasara.
Yes, Sister Shabina, go for the Shahida.
Shahida, Yashhadu, Ishhad, Shahid, Mashhudun, Shahadatun, to witness. Sheen, Ha, Dal is the root word, and Bab is Samia.
Yes, Sister Khadijatul Abdurrahman, please for the Ghafala.
غفل يغفل أغفل غافل مغفور غفلة to be unaware. Going Falam are the roots such as Bab is Masara.
Good. And next is Shakira, Sister Farda Amila, 6 keys.
Amila, Ya'malu, Imal, Amil, Ma'mulun, Amalun, to do. Root letters, Ayin, Mimla, Babu, Semi'a.
Okay, there is no next in line, so I should do kasaba, yaksibu, iksib, kasibun, maksubun, kasbun, mean to earn. Kaf sin ba is the root letter, bab is daraba. Let's to go for the weak verbs, the hamza verbs, and the repeated. Among them is khala and sa'ala. Okay, we have so many people, we can do it. Yes, Sister Bushra, go for the khala.
Khala, yakhlu, ukhlu, khalin, makhlu, anhu, khulubun. To pass away, khal, lam, waw are the root words. Bab is da'a and nasara. Nasara.
Good. Yes, it's Shaban. Shabana. You go for the Sa'ala 6 keys.
Yes, Sa'ala, Yas'alu, Sal, Sa'ilun, Mas'ulun, and Su'alun, and it means to ask. Seen, Hamza, Lam are the root words, and Fataha is the pattern.
Okay, Sister Shakra, you go for the both Khala and Sa'ala 6 keys.
Khala, Yakhlu, Huklu, Khalin, Makluhun, and Makluhu an'u, Kuluhun, to pass away. Bab, root letter, Kha, Lam, Wa, Bab, Nasara. Then Sa'ala, Yas'alu, Sal, sa'ilun, mas'ulun, suwalun, to ask. Root letters, sin, hamza, wa lam.
Yes, there
Bab,
was
fataha.
somebody Ital. I don't know what was this Ital number something hand raised. Please, whosoever that is, please revise this Ital. There was a somebody. Let me find that there was hand raised by somebody.
Check which one am I going to revise?
Okay, you revise, sister. No issue.
Which one? Sal or Khala?
Both.
Okay. Khala, yakhlu, ukhlu, khalin, makhluwan anhu, khuluwan.
Good.
Kaf, lam, waw are the root letters. Bab is da'a. Then sa'ala, yas'alu, sal, sa'ilun, mas'ulun, su'alun, sin, hamza, lam are the root letters. Bab is fataha.
Good. Excellent. Let's to proceed for the grammar. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir. Welcome to understand Al-Quran the easy way, course 5, page 20, pointer D in grammar. Today we will just revise whatever we have learned so far. Nothing is new here. So we saw the grammar have two parts. One is called the sarf, other is called the nahw. In sarf, we join the letters to make the words. Just like the fa and lam are the three letters, and we make so many letters from it. Fa'ala, maf'alu, fa'altum, yaf'aluna, ifal, so far, so on. And the nahw is the grammar in which we join these words to make the sentences. Just al-baytu kabirun. At times we join these words to make the pairs, just like fil ardi, baytan kabiran, zalikal baytu, baytullah. And ultimately these pairs, they are used to make the sentences, just like khalaqallahu al-arda fi yawmain. Here fi yawmain is the jar majrur pair. Kana haza baytan kabira. Here the baytan kabira is the sifa pair. Inna zalikal bayta baytullah. Zalik al-Bayta is a ismu ishara pair, and Baytullah is the relation pair. So ultimately these pairs, they are used to make the sentence. And this part of the grammar is called naf. It's written nahu, but it's pronounced naf. Then we saw the ism may have three states. Rafa, nasjar. When it's in raf, it have damar, damatan, and it is the original state. When it has the fatah or fatatan, it is the affected state. And when it have kasra or kasratan, it is the jar state, and it is the preposition effect. Just like Muslimun, it's raf because it's have the matan. Plural is Muslimuna. It's also raf because it have waw nun at the end. Musliman, it's nas. Why? Because it have fatatan. Muslimina, it is nas because it have yanun at the end. Muslimin, it's jar because it have the kasratan. Muslimina, it's jar because it's coming after the nas, so it's in jar. The raf and jar may be same as in this case, Muslimina, Muslimin. What about the feminine? Feminine, we saw from Muslimatun, it become Muslimatun. From Muslimatan, it become Muslimatin. From Muslimatin, it become Muslimatin. For the feminine, we add alif ta at it. So far, we saw different pattern of the nouns. Just like we saw afal khamsa, abu. Here the dhamma fatha kasra is not the sign. The sign is waw for the rafa. And abu, sign of nas is the alif. And abi, the sign of jar is the ya. So it may be in some cases of the nouns, just like afal khamsa, dhamma fatha kasra is not the sign. Sign are the letters, just like waw is the rafa, alif is the nas, ya is the jar sign. And sometimes they are partially fixable. They have only two states, just like Ibrahimu is the raf, Ibrahima is the nas because it's a fatah. But Ibrahima is the jar, again with fatah. So they have only two. They don't accept the jar. They don't accept the dhamma. I mean the dhammatan mean you can say the tanween. They don't accept tanween. They don't accept jar. They are called partially flexible. And then we have another type, fixed. They never show any change in raf nas jar. Just like haza is the ra, haza is the nas, and haza is the jar. Same, no change. Just the context of the ibarat or the context of the sentence or the pair indicate either it's raf, nas, or jar. There is another type. They are called the hidden. They don't even show anything. Just like Musa, raf, Musa, nas, Musa, jar. Because here the dhamma, kasra, they are hidden. Fatah, hidden. So far, the different three states of the ism we saw changing sign, just like Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. So they can change. They are called the munsarif. Muslimun with dhammatan, raf, Muslima with fatatan, nas, Muslimin, yeah. All the three states they are changing with dhamma, fatah, kasra, or dhammatan, fatatan, and kasra. The second type of ism we saw changing the letters, not the harkat. Harkat are the dhamma, fatah, kasra. They are not changing fatah, dhamma. They're changing the word, letters. Just like Muslimuna, wawnun is the sign of raf. Muslimina, ya nun is the sign of nas. Muslimina, again the ya nun is the sign of jar. Changing words just like Abu, waw is the sign of raf. Abba, alif is the sign of nas. Abi, ya is the sign of jar. Partially flexible, just like Ibrahimu in raf because dhamma is there. Ibrahima nas because fatah is there. Ibrahima is jar again with fatah because they don't accept the kasra or the jar. Fixed. They don't show any change. They have the same, just like haza, haza. Haza is the raf, haza is the nas, and haza is the jar. On the same pattern, we have hidden. Hidden are just like Musa, Musa, Musa. The first is the rafa, second is the nas, third is the jar. So they are the special cases. Then we saw the four types of sentences. One was Jumla Ismiya. Can you give me the example for Jumla Ismiya? Yes.
Allahu Ghafurun.
Allahu Ghafur. The next we saw the Jumla with Inna. Yes. Can you give the example for Jumla with Inna?
Inna Allaha Ghafurun.
Allah Ghafur. The third one was the Kana with Kana sentence. Yes. Can you give me the Kana Jumla?
Kana Allahu Ghafurun.
Kana Allahu Ghafura. And fourth one was the Jumla failure, mean the verbal sentence. Can you give me the example?
Khalaqallahu al-arda.
Khalaqallahu al-arda. Okay. And then we saw four type of pair. One was the harfi jar, just like fil ardi. The second was the sifa pair, just like baytun kabiru. It is the answer of who and or how. Okay. Zalika. The next was the ismu ishara pair. Zalikal baytu. It is the answer of which question, which. The fourth one is baytullahi. It's the relation pair. And the answer is whose. So let's go. Look, for the kasra, only two pair they have the kasra. There are two reasons of kasra coming. One is the harf jar. After harf jar is always an ism followed by a kasra, mean jar. And there second is the relation pair, murakkab idafi. After the mudaf are the first noun. The second is follows always with kasra. So these are the only two reasons of coming kasra under some ism. Then we saw the examples. Jar majrur fil ardi. For the sifa pair, we say baytun kabirun. Haza baytun kabir. Ra zaydun baytan kabira. Zaydun fi baytin kabirin. So baytun kabirun raf. Baytan kabira nas. Baytin kabirin jar. Then we saw the ismu ishara pair, just like baytuhu zalikal baytu. Ra zaydun zalikal bayta. Zaydun fi zalikal bayti. Zalikal baytu, what is that? Raf. Zalikal bayta nas. Zalikal bayti jar. The fourth was the relation pair example, Baytullahi. Haza Baytullahi. Ra Zaydun Baytullahi. Zaydun fi Baytillahi. Baytullahi nas. Baytullahi, Baytullahi raf. Baytullahi nas. And Baytillahi is the jar. Now, if you see, we say Allahu Ghafurun. The ismu Allah is Rafa. We show with standing finger. Ghafurun is again Raf, standing finger. Here we say Inna Allah. The word Allah is Nas. We show it with the lying finger. Ghafurun is again Raf. We show with the standing. Zakartu. Zakartu is again Raf because having Dhamma. Allah is Nas. We show with this. Zikra is again the Nas. Ta'ata again the nas. Sabaha again the nas. Khalfa is again the nas. Imami is jar. Qaida again is the nas. Haifa. So these all are the different form of the nas. Ya Rabba, again Rabba is a nas. Al-Alameen is in the state of nas or jar. Yes. You have to help me. I forgot. Is it nas or jar?
Rabbul Alamin. Jar. Rabbil Alameen. It's majroor. Relation pair.
Yes, it's a relation pair, so it's in the state of jar. Rabbil Alamin. Rabb is the mudaf. Al-Alamin is the mudaf ilayh. Mudaf ilayh is always in jar, so it's a jar. Okay. Ighfirli fa'anta. Anta is in the, okay, it's in nas. Khairun. What's this khairun? Raf, nas, jar?
Raf.
What about ghafira?
Nas.
Okay. Allah is in raf or nas, jar?
Nas.
Nas or jar?
Raf.
Kan Allah. Again, Allah is raf, nas, jar?
Raf.
Why it's in raf?
Because kana.
Raf. Ghafura. What is this?
Sabrun kana.
Kana, so it's nas. Okay. La ilaha. Ilah. Rafa, nas, jar?
Raf. No, nas. Sorry, nas.
Nas. Why is it nas?
Line nafi jins ism. Line nafi jins.
Line nafi jins. After this, ism come always in nakra is a line.
Nasab, yeah.
Minallahi. What is the Allah? Rafa, nas, jar?
Rafa.
Allahu. How it's possible? Minallahi.
Jar. Okay, I was looking at that. Jar.
Why it's in jar?
Allahi is jar.
Why?
Majroor.
Why majroor?
Minallahi.
Min is the harf jar. Why is some majroor?
Yes.
Abdullahi. The word Allah. Rafa, nas, jar?
jar because of muzaf, muzaf lay,
Yes,
murattabi
due
azafi.
to abdu is the mudaf. Why is mudaf? Because it's not having ism, not having the tanween. It's
Tanween.
light. When the ism is light, it's mudaf, followed by a ism majroor, which confirm that is mudaf, because after that, the ism majroor is mudaf ilayh. Okay, after this exercise, we will take 5 pages of the Quran for our practice or to see can we apply them. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً قَالُوا أَتَجْعَلُ فِيهَا مَنْ يُفْسِدُ فِيهَا وَيَسْفِكُ الدِّمَاءَ وَنَحْنُ نُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِكَ وَنُقَدِّسُ لَكَ قَالَ إِنِّي أَعْلَمُ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. رَبُّكَ. What is this Rabbu? Raf Nasjar.
Raf.
Raf.
Raf. Okay, having the Malaikati.
Nas.
Malaikati.
Nas.
Jar.
Why it is
Jar
jar?
majroor. Jar majroor. The li in front of it.
Li is there. Lil malaikati. Li is the harf jar, so malaikati is jar. Okay. Al ard. What is this al ard?
This is also jar majroor. The ard is jar.
Jar, because harf jar P is in front of it. Khalifa. Khalifa. Raf nas jar.
Nas.
Adima. Adima. Rafa nas jar.
Nas.
Why? Showing the fatha. Okay. Hamdi. 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 Rafa nas jar.
Jar.
Why?
Jar and majroor.
Harf jar B is there. Okay. Let's have another ayah. Bismillah. وَأَلَّمَ آدَمَ أَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا ثُمَّ عَرَضَهُمْ عَلَى الْمَلَائِكَةِ فَقَالَ أَنبِئُونِي بِأَسْمَاءِ هَؤُلَاءِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. Adam. Raf Nasjar.
Nas.
It's
Al-Asma. Raf Nasjar.
Nas.
Malaikati. Raf
Jar majroor.
Asma'i. Raf Nasjar.
Jar.
Is the hafizer. Okay. Sadiqeen. Raf Nasjar.
This is
Nas.
Nas.
Kuntum. Nas. Kanas. Khabru kana.
Good.
Khabru kana.
Good. Excellent. That is the relation is required. قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. Alim al-Hakim, you know, it is sifa pair in Nas. قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون. أسمائهم
Jar majroor.
Okay. Jar. Ghaiba is of having the fatah. As-samawati jar. وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ أَبَى وَاسْتَكْبَرَ وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ. Malaikati, again jar. Adama, again fatah. And Isa. But yes, Li Adama.
That was jar majroor.
This is a jar majroor.
It is in jar because Li is the harf jar. Kafirin, it's again in jar because min harf is before it. وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَٰذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ فَتَكُونَا مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ. زوجة إذا رفع جنة إذا ناس غدا ناس شجرة ناس ظالمين is again jar because min is there. فأزلهما الشيطان عنها فأخرج مما كان فيه وقلنا اهبطوا بعضكم لبعض عدو ولكم في الأرض مستقر ومتاع إلى حين. شيطان again rough. بعد is jar, ardi jar, hin jar. فتلقى آدم من ربه كلمات فتاب عليه إنه هو التواب الرحيم. آدم ربي ورحيم. So let's do before I go on the next part, though it is similar, let to have a break here for the prayers.
Okay.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Let's to have a look on the workbook. وَمَنْ أَظْلَمُ مِمَّنْ كَتَمَ شَهَادَةً عِنْدَهُ مِنَ اللَّهِ. And who is more unjust than the one who concealed a testimony that he has from the Allah. تِلْكَ أُمَّةٌ قَدْ خَلَتْ. This was a community which has passed away. وَلَا تُسْأَلُونَ عَمَّا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. And you will not be asked about what they used to do. Let's to have the plural zalim. This is zalim, plural is azlim. Or the shahadat is a plural. Umma, plural is umam. So the 6 for the katama is katama yaktumu uktum katmun maktumun kitmanun, conceal. Kaf ta mim is the root letter. Bab is nasara. The next is shahida yashhadu ishhad shahidun mashhudun shahadatun, to witness, and shin hadal is the root letter. Bab is samiya. Ghafala yaghfulu ughful ghafilun maghfulun ghaflatun, mean to be unaware. Ghain falam is the root letter. Bab is nasara. Next is amila ya'malu amal amilun ma'mulun amlun, and to do, and mim lam is the root letter. Bab is samiya. Kasaba yaksubu iksib kasibun maksubun kasbun, mean to earn. Kaf sin by is the root letter. Bab is daraba. Khala yakhlu ukhlu khalin makhlun anhu, and khulu mean to pass away. Khala khalam waw is the root letter, and bab is nasara. Sa'ala yas'alu sal, sa'ilun mas'ulun sawalun, mean to ask. Sin hamza lam is the root letter. Bab is fataha. Now this is the ibara. Now you have to put dhamma fatah kasra. Yes, on this first. Wa is kala, on this rab, what I should put? Rafa nasjar.
Rafa.
Rabbuka.
Qala Rabbuka.
Raf nasjar, what I should put?
Raf.
Dhamma. Rabbuka.
Okay, dhamma. Malaikati, what I should put here?
Kasra.
Al-ard, what should be the sign? Raf nasjar.
Kasra.
Khalifa. Raf nasjar.
Nas.
Dima. Raf nas.
Nas.
Hamd. Raf nas.
Bihamdika. Hamdika.
Kasra.
Adam. Raf nas. Jar.
Al-asma. Adam.
It should be Adam.
Adam is Rafa because it's file. It's file. Adama is file.
Adamu. Yeah, Adamu.
Allama Adama.
No,
Nas.
آدم الأسماء.
no.
His nas
Adama,
Adama.
Adam.
Adam al
Adam al
Asma.
Asma. Yeah, it should be
Because
Adam
it's
al Asma.
maf'ul.
Nas is a nested. Nas.
You
Yes.
take so much time on two words. What we'll do with the rest?
Adama.
Adama. It's a
Adam al
nas.
Asma.
Okay, hold on, hold
Adam
on,
al
and go for the rest. We
Fatah.
will do see soon it. Yes, B Asma. What is Raf Nasjar?
This is
Jar.
Jar. This is easy.
Jar.
Yeah.
Sadiqin. Raf Nasjar.
This would be Kabro Khana. This is Kabro
Kana,
Khana.
Kana,
Nas.
Kabro Kana. Nasb.
That was Nas.
Al Ilam Al Hakim. Raf Nasjar.
Raf.
Alimul Khalim.
Alimul.
Alimul Khalim.
Oh, Halimun Hakim.
This would be Raf.
Raf. Alimul Khalim.
Asma.
E. Kasra.
Kasra.
Same.
Ghaib.
Same Kasra.
Rebus.
Ghaibus samawati wal ardi.
Wal ardi.
Ghaibus
Okay,
samawati wal
this
ardi.
was the solution. Rabbuka Dhamma. Lil Malaikati Kasra. Al Ardi Kasra. Khalifata Fata are the Nasb. Hamdi Kasra. Adama Fata. You were fighting on that. Asma Asma'i Kasra. Sadiqin again is on the pattern of Fata. Subhanaka again is coming as a Fata. Okay. Why they are showing this sign and not showing the Ibara? Yes. So let's see here. Lama alamtana al-alim al-hakim. Both were having dhamma. Zawju dhamma. Ash-shaytanu dhamma. Adukum kum dhamma. Mustaqarun dhamma. Mataun dhamma. Tawabun dhamma. Ghaiba fata. Iblisa fata. Al-Jannata Fata, Ragadan Fata, Ashajrata Fata. I should say Nas. Asamai Jar, Asamai Jar, Samawati Jar, Al-Ardi Jar, Al-Malaikati Jar, Li Adama Jar. Do you agree or not?
Yes, because of Li.
But it is showing Fata.
Oh, because this is not be changed. This is fixed.
Partially facts.
Yes. Now you know how the Ibara help it is in Kasra or Jar. Though it is showing Fatah, but you know this have only two said. Ibrahim, Adamu, Adama, Adama. Nasjar is the same with Fatah. But the Li is saying, no, it is Jar. Though it is showing Fatah. Okay. Az-Zalimina in Jar because harfe min is in front of it. Badin Jar because harfe Li is in front of it. Al-Ardi Jar because harfe Jar Fi is in front of it. Haini Jar because Ila harfe Jar is in front of it. Rabbihi Rabbi is Jar because min is in front of it. So khabar, types of khabar. Khabar may be a mufrid, mean of one word. It may be a jumla ismiya. It may be a jumla failure. Or it may be a shibe jumla khabar. When we say shibe jumla khabar, it either is jar majroor or zarf. So how many shapes of khabar? Maybe mufrid, one word. Maybe jumla ismiya, maybe jumla failure, maybe shibe jumla khabar, min jar majroor and zarf. Mufrad example is Hamidun Talibun. Hamid is the mubtada, talibin is the khabar, and it's a single word, mufrid. Hamid is a student. Jumla isma example. Al-waladu is mubtada. Siyaratuhu jadidun. Siyaratuhu jadidun. The khabar is not one word. It is coming khabar plus some related part. Siyaratun is coming a murakkab. Jumla failure example. At-tulabu zahbu ila mal. The student have gone to the playground. At-tulabu is a mubtada. Khabar is coming. Zahabu ila mal. A complete jumla failure is coming as a khabar. Shiba jumla example. Jar majur first. Fil bayti rajulun. Rajulun is the mubtada. And fil bayti jar majur is the khabar coming before. Mean coming muqaddam. And the mubtada is going muakhir. Zarf example is tahtal shajrati asadun. Lion is under the tree. That is very important class. In class, I have to attend that. Why I should miss? Okay. Tahtul shajrati asad. Asad is actually mubtada muakhir. And tahtul shajrati is a shibe jumla khabar zarf. It has come muqaddam. So that may be the khabar, may be mufrid, may be jumla ismiya, jumla failure, it may be shibe jumla khabar, jar majur and zarf. And in case of shibe jumla khabar, it may come earlier than the mubtada. Mean it may, the khabar may come first and the mubtada may come after. Let's go for the question answer. Katama shahadata, he concealed a testimony. وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلِينَ, and Allah is not unaware. More unjust is who conceals the testimony. Allah is aware of our words, our actions, our thoughts, our plans, all of it. Laha ma kasabat mean for it what it earned. Wala tus'aluna, and you will not be asked. Everyone is answerable for what he or she has done, they have done, we have done, we will do, all are correct. Fi'l amara ghafala is ughful. The action of khala is hulu, mean the masdar. Plural of shahada is shahadat. Rafa state is high, default and original state. Nas state is medium and affected. Jar state is low and below. Example of rough state for noun is inni ja'ilun, ja'ilun in rough. Example of jar is ambi'uni bi asma'i, look jar. Kulna lil malaikati jar. The example of nas state for noun is wa izat tala Ibrahima. Ibrahima is here nas. The pairs what we have learned in this course, pair of that shows relation, pair of ishara, pair of preposition, mean the jar majrur, pair of sifa. So 4 types of pair we have studied. How many state of nas we have studied? Yes. 9, 11, 5, 3. How many nas state you have studied?
11.
Good. Excellent, sister. 10 out of 10. Define nav. Nav is how to make pairs and sentences using the different words, or how to place the ending signs. What are the sisters of inna? Anna, kanna, lakinna, anna. Yes, which one are the sisters of inna?
ABC.
ABC.
All of them. No, you are right.
Not
Anna, kanna,
No, A, B, and
and
C
laita
only.
and la'alla. 2 are missing. 7 homeworks are known to you. Alhamdulillah. 2 of tilawa, 2 of your work, and 1 listening the concise MP3 recording of QC1. and talk to your study partner and recite different surah in Salah. And always pray for yourself, Rabbi Zidni Ilma, and for your classmates. And if you need any help, visit this site www.understandquran.com, and you can get anything which you want, the textbook, the workbook, the solutions of the workbooks, and even the recordings of any lesson or any course or any homework or even the quizzes, and you can solve them. And please be a teacher. If you can't a teacher, at least teach somebody QC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you have learned Allah is so kind and you should kind to somebody. Let's to pray. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وقل أعوذ بك من همزات الشياطين وأعوذ بك رب أن يحضرون لا قوة إلا بالله هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر نعوذ بالله أن نكون من الجاهلين اللهم نسألك رضاك والجنة رب هب لي حكما الصالحين ربنا اغفر لنا ذنوبنا وإسرافنا في أمرنا وثبت أقدامنا وانصرنا على القوم الكافرين سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا ربنا زدنا علما وفهما وخشوع وهدى ربنا آتينا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا إنك أنت السميع العليم سبحانك اللهم سلام عليكم وآخر دعنا الحمد لله رب العالمين آمين ثم آمين. Now your final revisions will be inshallah next week on the Wednesday on 23rd April. And your depositing workbook is 25th April. All the homeworks, they will be closed on 25th April. And final quiz is inshallah on 30th April, that is the Wednesday. And your new QC6 inshallah will start 7th May. On 1st May, I will try to give you the final result of the QC5, and then you will get a link share for the QC6 to join if you want to join. So if you people have any questions, your questions are welcome. This is the last class. Alhamdulillah, we have completed the QC5, and now your all the questions, they are welcome.